What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on Huawei Freebuds 3 wireless Bluetooth earphone with intelligent noise cancellation. Come with the Kirin A1 chipset, ultra low latency, fast Bluetooth connectivity with 13mm speaker driver and a quick wireless charging. Available in black as well as in white. So to start with, first we're going to see what comes with this Huawei Freebuds 3, following with connecting with our mobile phone and a demonstration and looking into its all features to make our call in the end, are they worth buying or not. So let's get into that. So here we have everything which come with these Freebuds. One multi-language supporting quick startup guide, safety instruction, warranty card, QR code to download the Huawei AI Life application, 1 meter long USB-C type charging cable. And now last but not least, Huawei Freebuds 3 earbuds, where in the front we have a very shiny Huawei logo, and on the left side pairing button. Now in base of charging case we have a one USB-C type charging port along with the status indicator light. Well, this is very strange thing which I noticed, that this Huawei logo is really actually on the back of charging case, not in the front. You can charge your Huawei earbuds by two ways. One, by standard USB-C type charging cable, which is also available in the packaging. Now as soon as you place it in, you're going to see the status indicator light going white. Once they are completely charged, it will be green. That's the one way. Now other way is using any QI enabled wireless charging device like my mobile phone, which is Huawei P30 Pro, come with the reverse charging. Voila, there we go, straight away, not bad at all. Now the latch which is used for the charging case is very robust as well. Come with the magnetic couples too and a status indicator light in middle. Now here we have a pair of Freebuds 3 earbuds which are without any silicone tips and fit all size of ears, and they are especially designed for the deeper sound and the lighter touch. Huawei call them dolphin design. Not only transmits sound more deeper, but they also rest softly in your ear so you can wear them all day long, and also transmit crystal clear music either you are in a train or in a quiet cafe. I'm sure that one will be in the comment section saying that it's the exact copy of Apple Airpod 2. But guys, there's a hell of a difference in design. They come with the aerodynamic design of mic, which will help you to get a very nice clear sound quality using it as an hands-free. Also come with the active noise cancellation, which will be only activated when you have them in your ear. And it's only been possible using this sensor right in here. Now here for comparison, I have one Apple Airpod 2 where you can see the difference in size as well as the bone conduction tip, which is completely an aerodynamic design in Huawei. Earbuds also come with the double tap feature, which means by pressing double time on the left side, you can turn on and off your active noise cancellation or play and a pause by pressing the double time on the right side. And you can also customize them by using Huawei AI Life application. Can be installed from Google Play Store as well as from Apple Store. Now process of pairing is very easy and straightforward. If you own Huawei mobile phone and running EMUI 10 or higher, they will exactly connect like Apple Airpod with the display on a screen. But if not, no need to worry about. You can use the standard process to connect it. But just before that, let's go ahead and install the Huawei AI Life application from Google Play Store. Now open up your AI Life application. Now open up your charging case, press the pairing button and press onto this plus button here. And here within the list, you should be able to find Freebuds 3 available. Now press to connect. Now once connected using the Bluetooth, straight away go into them. You're going to access everything about your earbuds here. Now, if there will be any latest updated software available, I would highly recommend you to update it by press of a one button and click check for the update. If there is update available, click onto the update as well. Now, having an app for your earbuds is always advantageous. The reason is it's going to show you all the status you wanted to know from the battery, and you can also change so much in them as well, starting with the shortcuts where you have a choice that what would you like to do with the double tab on the left side as well as on the right side. You can also turn on and off your active noise cancellation and can also adjust the noise cancellation, and if there is the latest and greatest firmware available, by press of one button you can update. Well, now let's go ahead with the performance tests and see how they perform and how they look when you wear them as well. Now, as soon as you open up the lid of your charging case, the Bluetooth connection will be established straight away. Now, the music will be only start to play when you get this earbud right hand side or the left hand side in your ear. And the good thing about it is you're going to hear the notification as well. Tun tun. And you can just simply slide them in your ears and that's it. No need to adjust anything. And they are not easily getting out of your ear unless you raise your hand and take them out. You can shake your hand, do whatever actions you want. They are not going at all. So that's a good feature. You can use them while jogging as well. They're not going to fall out of your ears. Let's play some music. Just turn on the noise cancellation. There is a slight difference I have noticed, but I'm in a room. I can't really judge the quality of it. I have to go out and about to make sure that it works as well. Now, from the side of sound quality, what I notice is basically that as soon you get them on your ear, you will feel they are very loud. But even at the full volume, they're not seems to destroying the bass or just not missing the bass kind of, or the treble itself. All the sounds are coming so nicely and perfectly in your ears. And you can really see the difference. I also own Apple AirPods too. But if I'm comparing the sound quality of them with these Huawei Freebuds 3, Huawei is a total winner. No doubt whatsoever. Well, now let's talk about the latency, which I have seen a very minimal amount. When I'm playing movie or TV show on my Netflix, using these earbuds for the sound quality for sure. And I've seen not much of problem at all. That's just wanted to say to you guys, if you're using your earbuds for this kind of a thing. Now, overall, if I compare these Huawei earbuds with any earbuds I reviewed in the past, they are definitely the winner for sure. There are a few things I would like to see in the future, that I would like to have the notification, a screen notification on my mobile phone, which will be resolved once I get the latest firmware on my mobile phone. And having an AI live on your mobile phone for your earbuds is always advantageous. You can also increase and decrease the noise cancellation as well to suit your ears. Well, now I suppose I have shown you enough and explained around this Huawei Freebuds 3 earbuds to make your call easier, that are they for you or not. Now, as soon you place them back into the charging case, they will automatically get disconnected from your mobile phone, and once they are fully charged, you're also going to see the battery status light on your AI Life application as well. How great is that? Let me know in the comment section down below that what you think about my video. Have I explained everything to you in this video or not? If you'd like to know more about this product, please let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you're interested in purchasing this one, link is also available in the comment section down below. See ya then, guys. Bye for now.